This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the prop and support the bonnet. Prise up the centre pin and lever out the plastic rivet securing the front panel to the headlight. Remove the upper and lower headlight retaining Torx screws. Lever out the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Lift up the headlight to release the lower mounting lug, then remove the headlight. Pull the rubber cover from the rear of the headlight. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and pull it from the reflector. Gently prise the bulb from the holder. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the bulb into the holder. Insert the bulb and holder into the reflector, then rotate it clockwise slightly to secure it. Refit the rubber cover. Rotate the cover at the base of the headlight anti-clockwise and remove it. Release the clips and withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminal. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the bulb terminal into the wiring plug. Manoeuvre the bulb into the reflector, ensuring the locating tabs are correctly seated in the cutouts. Secure the bulb with the retaining clips. Refit the cover and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Manoeuvre the headlight into position, ensuring the lower mounting lug engages correctly. Reconnect the wiring plug. Insert the lower and upper retaining screws and tighten them securely. Insert the plastic rivet, then press down the centre pin. Clip the prop back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.